Okay guys, this is my Jaguar. It's a Daimler XJ12. Okay, I've been running 2 months ago. Everything was great, but since there I disconnected the battery, so now I'm charging it. It's almost full, you can see. Everything is great with the car, except that it just won't start. So I thought the remote control that's responsive, just not responsive. They were just lost their pairing or something, so I just have to repair them. So I saw online there's a procedure that basically I have to turn the key to accessory mode, one click, then hit the high beam for 5 times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I have to get some kind of beep or something, but just nothing happens. It just won't start. So and the headlights themselves, even when I'm putting it in run mode, the headlights themselves, the high beam, it doesn't do anything. They just don't work. So but I don't know where the relay is or what, so I have to do. So if you have any kind of ideas, what should I do? I'll be very appreciating it. Thank you guys.